Hi viewers, welcome to Tutorials for You, and this is my second tutorial on Flight Simulator X. In this tutorial we will learn how to create a flight route of our own. In my first tutorial we learned how to start a free flight, but in that tutorial the flight route was generated by FSX. But it is also possible that we can create a flight route of our own, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to do that. So here is my free flight panel, and those who don't know how to create a free flight, please go and check my first tutorial. In this tutorial we are starting here by clicking on flight planner, and here's the flight planner window of my FSX, and over here we can select our departure location. I'm selecting Los Angeles as my departure location. Yeah, here it is. Great. And now I need to select a destination. I'm selecting I need to select some other airports as my destination, and I have found Lotus International. I'm selecting Lotus International as my destination, clicking OK button, and I have selected my departure as well as destination. Now I need to select either IFR or VFR. I have selected IFR over here. Now this is much important, choosing our routing. GPS, if you're selecting direct GPS, the flight route will be in such a way that it will connect your departure and destination by a straight line. You cannot see any bend or any other deviations. It will be a straight line, and all those others will have deviations. In VOR to VOR, all those VOR of the airports will be connected, and so on. So here, for creating your own flight route, it's better to select direct GPS and then click find route. Now this is the flight route generated by FSX, and this is, so you can see our flight route over here, and this is the overall flight route. Now if you need to see it more clearly, you can press this button to zoom in and this button to zoom out, and here you can see the destination as well as the departure location. Now if I'm clicking on airport KLAX, this is my departure location, and Los Angeles International Airport has been selected over here. You can press the zoom in button, and you can see that your airport approaches, your runways are heading from west to east and from east to west, and your flight route is in a different direction like this. So you can just move your flight route in such a way that it really suits your takeoff or your runway heading. So I'm moving my flight route a bit, which is in adjacent to my runway, and a new intersection has been included over here, Bayset. Name of the ID of the intersection is Bayset. If I'm clicking on that intersection on this button over here, I can see my intersection very clearly. Now I'm zooming out, and you can make all those changes wherever you want, like this. Click on it, drag your flight route, and leave it on a point where you want to make it. So a new waypoint WP1 has been included, and all these lines over here, you can see a lot of lines moving through the screen. These lines over here shows the airways of different flights, airways used by different flights. And now I'm moving to the destination by clicking over here. So here is our Lotus International Airport. By zooming in, I can see the airport clearly, and this line shows the runway of your airport, and the runway heading is in a different direction compared to our flight route. So you can make it straight by zooming out. Just move a bit. If you want to check it, you can just click on it and just zoom in. So now you can see that our runway is in a straight line to with our flight route. So it's all set, and this is how you can create your own flight route. And if you have made a mistake, or if you want to erase a change you have done, now for example I have moved my flight route a bit to this point, and I don't want this change to happen. So we know that this is WP3 waypoint 3, and if you want to change, or if you want to cancel this change, just press delete waypoint and your flight route will be set to normal as we have done it before. And if you want to edit your waypoints, you can edit your waypoints by clicking on it. Click edit, and you can just give a name for your description for your waypoint. And if you want, you can change the position of your waypoint by changing the latitude and longitude. So this is how to create a flight plan of your own. And after creating it, you can just press save button, give a name for it. By default your destination and your departure location will be given as your name of the waypoint, name of the flight plan. IFR Los Angeles International to Lotus International. Click save button, hit OK. So they will ask for whether you have to move your aircraft to the departure airport. Yes. Click yes button, and it's set. Now you can change your aircraft and you can start your game. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, please comment below and I will help you by giving you an answer, or I'll create a video which will clear your doubt. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe my channel and watch more tutorials on FSX. Thank you.